Suntricity, being part of the ENL group, which is one of the most significant conglomerate in Mauritius. We are based in Mauritius, and we cover the whole Indian Ocean region as the value-added distributor for Huawei. Actually, we started our journey with Huawei by positioning the solar inverters together with the other accessories, and I must admit that since then it has been a success story. We've won many small and major projects. So our objective with Huawei is to grow the business not only in Mauritius but in the Indian Ocean region, and as a value-added distributor, we realize the importance of our customers, and we put a lot of emphasis on the resources that we have to support our customers.